Yep, I'm El Proto, and today quickly I want to show you how to change your background in FL Studio 20. So let's jump into it. You come to view, or you go to view, go, whatever, and you go down to background, and you see there, that's the first one. Set image wallpaper. You click on it, that's left click, and you see your options. You go to where your picture is, whatever folder, wherever your picture is, and you hit, oh, that's it. New season, the artwork of our song, that's all one. Let's take it back, go to view, and that's just it. The simple way you change the background. This is not the normal one that FL Studio comes with, FL 20, but I just changed it through that means, and you too can now change your background if you so desire. Music, sometimes some things can make you happy. There's a face you can put here now, you can put in this place that will just make you feel good as you're producing music. Whatever works for you, go ahead and do it. Like this video if you like it. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section of this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. There are great videos coming up. I'm El Proto. This is All One Pro Studio. That's it. I'm the best.